Hi everyone, it's Yushin and welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to share with you a few reliable sources on where you can get high quality jewelry findings, as well as some basic knowledge about purchasing your jewelry findings. This is really important because you can see a lot of fake jewelry findings on the internet nowadays, and because as handmade artists, understand that we put a lot of effort and time into our work. We definitely don't want to lower our customers' experience just by accidentally providing fake jewelry findings. I recently got a bunch of solid sterling silver ear posts, ear wire from different platforms online, and they were all fake. So they're silver plated, not solid sterling silver, but they do have the sterling silver stamp on it, so the S925 stamp on it. I've ordered them from different platforms. I ordered some from Etsy, ordered some from Amazon. This one is brass on the inside and then silver plated on the outside. Usually with these findings, you can just do a little bit of sanding and you will be able to know whether or not they're real. It is really important to do this check before you actually sell it to your customer, because the plated silver would start coming off as time goes by, and then the copper or the brass underneath would start showing. I mean, it is okay to use silver plated earring findings. The only thing that it is really important is that you are putting the right information in your description. And there's a lot of other ways to tell whether or not your silver is real silver, like solid silver. But let's get back to our video topic. So when you are picking your earring findings, there is a lot of different options. Usually, as long as you pick nickel-free earring findings, you should be fine, because many people that have allergic reaction to metal is actually having an allergic reaction to nickel, and there is a really small amount of people that have an allergic reaction to cobalt. And let's talk about what companies are reliable to get real good quality earring findings. So if you're looking for anything precious like gold, silver, silver plated, silver filled, or even Argentine silver, then you can look at Rio Grande. Rio Grande offers a bunch of different styled earring findings, jewelry findings, and they have Argentine silver, silver, gold, gold filled, gold plated, as well as stainless steel. So you should be able to find what you need on this website, and it's really reliable, so you don't have to worry about it being fake. Another thing you can do is you can order some wire made from silver, made from gold, or made from whatever material that you want, and then use those wire to make into your own earring findings. And you can also order with your friend. Like, let's say if you have a friend that also does Polymer Clay business, then you can order together so you can get a discount. If you're not looking for any precious metal and you only want your earring finding to be nickel free, then you can check out Michaels. If they have this nickel free sign, then it is hypoallergenic. But before you buy anything from Michaels, make sure you check out their coupon, because Michaels gives out coupons all the time, so make sure you check out whether or not there are coupons. But when you are looking for earring findings, make sure to look for the nickel-free sign. If the earring finding does not have a nickel-free sign on it, then that just means that product may contain nickel in it. Why am I suggesting you getting jewelry findings from bigger companies? Because they are always there. If they have any fake items, you can always sue them. And they're usually really familiar with the law, so they usually make sure what they're saying is actually what they're selling.